conceptual foundations and the study of information and communication as approaches in this course capture the increasing complexity and the universe of interrelationships that this concept evokes. For a long time, people have studied information. Some studies, such as Shannon in mathematics, which we will see in the following section, have helped us better understand its limits and how to handle them. This course will use a broad definition of information. Information, traditionally understood as a document, has been a cornerstone of the discipline of documentation. However, it is crucial to delve into its informative perspective, viewing it as an information recorded on any medium, including the contemporary ephemeral medium of the Internet. The term information has become popular in recent decades, leading to the emergence of concepts such as information society, as we saw in Unit 1, that make its terminological framework difficult. This lack of consensus favors using certain metaphors for its definition. We think of concepts like information overload, for example, or others that, while not synonyms, are sometimes used as such. This is the case with data or knowledge. We use Buckland's word as a starting point because his broad and social concept of the information phenomenon linked to human experience brings us closer to it. It covers the entire multiplicity of message, records, or documents that they need for these to constitute reliable sources that enable communication. Let me now ask you, can a meme be considered a document? Although at first glance you may say no, new types of expression emerge in digital culture and change the conception as a digital ephemeral document. Buckland seeks to reduce the complexity of the starting definition of the concept information, classifying it into three dimensions: information as process, information as knowledge, and information as object. In this sense, to discuss the origin of why these concepts are integrated into the formal studies of library information science, it's necessary to address the informative perspective of documentation, which is nothing other than the conception of documentation based on the informative process. In Unit 1, we saw the distinctions between data, information, and knowledge. Having seen this distinction of concept, it is necessary to point out the document's role in this scenario. First, documents have always been integrated in the human intellectual activity. Since ancient times, humans have used various objects or material to record and preserve their thoughts, from their tablets to papers. Nowadays, it takes on a ubiquitous dimension in the digital environment, as any medium that records information constitutes a document. This concept reflects Otler's vision of a document as any object in which knowledge can be recorded and possessed as an informative property. In the digital realm, it retains this dichotomy, but with some characteristics that span its dimension. These are hypertextual nature, concept of hyperdocument; accessibility, ubiquity, especially with cloud storage that simulates not depending on a particular medium; modifiability and reproducibility capacity, multimedia nature, and ability to aggregate and connect with other formats.